Haiti, Bebe! Happy Black History Month! Est-ce qu'on connaît? Did you know that every February, all month long in the United States, we celebrate Black History Month? Black History Month began in 1926 when an African American historian named Carter G. Woodson created Negro History Week. Dr. Woodson wanted everyone to learn about the achievements of Black people, not just the struggles, but the brilliance, the courage, and the joy. That's why we call Dr. Carter G. Woodson the father of Black history. Later, in 1976, Negro History Week grew into a whole month so we could celebrate even more stories. One of the leaders we honor during Black History Month, but really all the time, is the genius W.E.B. Du Bois. He was a scholar and writer who taught the world about Black pride and Black history. He also co-founded the NAACP. That's the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. It's a civil rights organization created to ensure equality and end racial prejudice in the United States. And guess what, Bebe? W.E.B. Du Bois loved Haiti for many reasons. First, he had Haitian ancestry. Yes, really. His dad, Alfred Dubois, was born in Haiti, and his grandmother was Haitian too. But his love for Haiti wasn't just about family. Du Bois saw Haiti as the first Black nation to defeat slavery and empire, and he believed that Haiti's freedom was connected to the freedom of Black people everywhere. He once wrote that Haiti has contributed something to human uplift, and if she has a chance, she can do more. Haiti is almost the sole modern representative of a great race of men among the nations. That's what he said. And in 1929, he joined a big investigation called the Foreign Policy Association to learn what was going on in Haiti when the U.S. occupied it. When he came back, he gave a powerful speech telling the U.S. to end their occupation and let Haiti be free. And in this picture from 1944, it shows him in Haiti meeting with important leaders. Even as an older man, Dubois stood proudly with Haiti. He spoke out against the way the U.S. and others treated Haiti, the unfair control, economic pressure, and semi-colonial behavior. Du Bois believed Haiti mattered to the whole Black world because Haiti proved what Black people could do when they claimed their own freedom. Can you say unity with me in Creole? Unity, inite. Unity, inite. Unity, inite. Both Carter G. Woodson and W.E.B. Du Bois believed that Black people everywhere in Haiti, in America, and across the world are connected. That idea is called Pan-Africanism. It means we are stronger when we stand together. And Carter G. Woodson, the creator of Black History Month, also wrote about Haiti in his history books. He said that the Haitian Revolution was one of the most significant events in the history of the Negro. Our Haitian ancestors lit the first flame of liberty, and African Americans carried that flame forward, standing on the front lines to protect the rights that so many in the Black diaspora benefit from today. We are more alike than we are different. And when we stand together, who can stop us? See you next time for more highlights in Haitian history. And remember, Bebe, l'union fait la force.